Hi, my dear friends. Thank you so much for stopping by tonight. Always enjoy seeing all of my beautiful friends stopping by. As you can see, I am sharing some more centerpieces I have put together. I am now putting some of my Mackenzie Childs pumpkins with them to show you how beautiful everything works together. And of course, all of my beautiful flowers too. Now, the Mackenzie Child pieces were a little expensive, but they are an investment piece and I do love them. And as you can see, I take a lot of joy in having them. And of course, I do have my bigger pumpkin in the center that I got. That is such a beautiful pumpkin and it works with everything. It works so well with the Mackenzie Child pieces. Of course, they work with everything. So many different colors and styles they are. I also wanted to share with you how beautiful my beautiful candlesticks are. I have had them for quite some time. They're not new. And of course, my beautiful Mackenzie Childs, as you can see, I'm even letting you see the little Mackenzie Child stamp at the bottom to verify that's what they are. And so well finished off at the bottom, are they not? I always enjoy seeing what I get from Mackenzie Child. They're always something new and different. Always am surprised to see what I see when I get my box open and how everything works so well together. Now, the new black pumpkin in the center is another Mackenzie Child pumpkin that I have. Oh, isn't it beautiful? I just love it. It's such a beautiful piece with all the beautiful colors, and it works with everything. You could put it in a pink arrangement, a green one, a green one, a blue one. There is nothing you couldn't put with these pumpkins. I just love everything about the colors they put together, and so many beautiful colors are they not. I just wanted to share with you the different ways you can decorate a centerpiece and how everything works together so well. And here is my big Mackenzie Child pumpkins. And don't they look beautiful too? Oh my gosh, are they not beautiful? And these are only the large. They have extra large, so you can imagine how big they must be. I think the large, the medium, and the tiny is really all I could deal with because these are so big already. And look how they look next to the other ones I already have. And I even have some pumpkins in my centerpiece. Well, I hope you enjoy everything I shared today. I even threw in some of my pink pumpkins that I've had for a couple of years. I just wanted to give you as many options as you could have on a beautiful pumpkin centerpiece. Did I not surprise you with as many pumpkins as I had? Oh, I did. And then I had that little white one tucked in the corner. We'll have to do another centerpiece with it, or a cozy corner, for you can see how pretty that pumpkin is. It's sort of hid from all the others, but it is a pretty one too. Oh, I had such a huge collection of pumpkins this year, and these aren't all the ones I own. These are only the ones I shared. And see how the pink pumpkins look nice with the Mackenzie Child pumpkins? Oh, I thought they turned out so well. It gave so much contrast with all the different colors and shades. Let me know what you liked the best. Did you like the Mackenzie Child pumpkins? My pink pumpkins, my little white one tucked over in the corner. You can't see it very well. And then I have the white and the pink pumpkin stacked on top of each other. And then, of course, in the center is my big orange pumpkin that I shared earlier in the day in a display. Oh, I'm so happy. Let me know which one you like the best. Hugs and kisses.